Here is a situation every trader has been in. The market has been going up. You are bullish. Structure is clear. Higher highs, higher lows. You have been watching it for days. Then price drops, breaks below a recent low. You think, okay, just a pullback. I will wait for it to recover. But it doesn't recover. It keeps going down. And by the time you accept that the trend has actually flipped, you have either been stopped out of a long trade or you missed the entire short move. That confusion, that moment of, is this a pullback or a reversal, costs traders more money than almost anything else. And in ICT, there is a very specific framework for answering that question. It is the difference between a break of structure and a change of character. Once you understand this distinction, you will never again sit there paralyzed wondering whether the market is reversing or just pulling back. You will know, and you will act on it with confidence. Let me show you exactly how it works. Welcome back. Episode 3 of the ICT Concepts Master Series. Quick reminder, this episode builds directly on Episode 2, where we covered market structure and how to read higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. If you have not watched that yet, go do it now. Link is in the description. You need that foundation for what I am about to show you. Today we are talking about BOS, break of structure, and CHoCH, change of character. Two terms you will hear constantly in ICT. Let's get on the chart. Let's start with a quick recap to make sure we are all on the same page. In Episode 2, we established that when price is making higher highs and higher lows, you have a bullish market structure. Bearish is lower highs and lower lows. Now, markets do not trend in one direction forever. At some point, price always makes a move that challenges the existing structure. It either breaks above a previous high or below a previous low. When that break happens, one of two things is occurring. Either the trend is continuing, smart money is pushing in the same direction it has been going, or the trend is ending, and smart money is repositioning to go the other way. These two scenarios have completely different implications for your trades, and ICT gives us a precise way to tell them apart. Let's start with the break of structure, BOS. A BOS happens when price breaks a swing point in the same direction as the existing trend. It is a continuation signal. The market is doing exactly what it has been doing, just taking another step in the same direction. So in a bullish structure, higher highs and higher lows, when price pulls back and then rallies above the previous swing high, that is a break of structure to the upside. It is bullish confirmation. The trend is intact. Smart money is still buying. The practical meaning, you do not flip your bias. You stay bullish. You look for buy setups on the next pullback. The BOS has confirmed that the institutions are still pushing price higher. The same logic works in a bearish structure. Price is making lower highs and lower lows. It rallies slightly, a pullback, and then breaks below the previous swing low. That is a bearish BOS continuation. Sellers are still in control. You stay bearish and look for sell setups on the next rally. Here is the key thing to understand about a BOS. It does not change anything. It reinforces the existing picture. When you see a BOS, you are looking for entries in the direction of the break, not against it. Think of BOS as the market saying, same plan, different chapter. Now let's talk about the change of character, CHoCH. And this one is where it gets really powerful. A CHoCH happens when price breaks a swing point against the existing trend. It is the first real signal that the trend may be ending and a new one beginning. It is the market's character literally changing. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in a bullish market that is about to turn. Price has been bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, everything looks fine. Then price pushes up one more time but fails to make a new higher high. It puts in a lower high, the first sign that buying momentum might be weakening. Note that lower high, it matters. Now price pulls back, and this time, it does not hold above the previous higher low. It breaks below it. That break, price moving below a higher low in what was previously a bullish structure. That is your change of character. That is the ICT signal that says the bullish structure may be over. Start looking the other way. Notice what happened in sequence. First a lower high, then a break of the previous higher low. That 1-2 combination is the CHoCH pattern. The market showed you that buyers could not push to a new high, and then sellers stepped in hard enough to break a key structural low. That is meaningful. After a CHoCH, your bias flips. You stop looking for buys. You start building a bearish case. You wait for the new structure to develop, lower highs and lower lows. and then you look for sell setups within that new bearish framework. The same concept works in reverse. In a bearish market, lower highs and lower lows. If price puts in a higher low and then breaks above a previous lower high, that is a bullish CHoCH. The character of the market is changing from bearish to bullish. Flip your bias. Start looking for buys. Let me give you the clearest possible comparison between these two so it sticks. A break of structure, BOS, breaks a swing point in the same direction as the current trend. Bullish trend breaks a previous high, bullish BOS. Bearish trend breaks a previous low, bearish BOS, meaning trend continues. Stay in the direction you were already trading. A change of character, CHoCH, breaks a swing point against the current trend. Bullish trend breaks a previous higher low, bearish CHoCH. Bearish trend breaks a previous lower high, bullish CHoCH, meaning trend may be reversing. Flip your bias. Wait for confirmation of new structure. One more important thing. A CHoCH is a warning signal, not an automatic entry trigger. It tells you that the character of the market has changed, but you still need confirmation from the lower time frame, a key reaction zone, or another ICT concept before you pull the trigger on a trade. We will cover those entry tools in upcoming episodes. For now, understand that CHoCH is the first alarm. It changes your bias. The entry comes after. Think of it this way. BOS says, keep going. CHoCH says, pay attention. Something is shifting. Before we wrap up, I want to cover the 3 most common mistakes traders make with BOS and CHoCH, because getting these wrong will cost you trades. Mistake number 1, treating every small structure break as a CHoCH. Not every break below a recent low is a change of character. You need to be looking at significant swing lows, the ones that were created during the trend, not minor pullback lows on a 1-minute chart. Time frame matters. Context matters. Mistake number 2, entering immediately on the CHoCH without confirmation. The CHoCH is not an entry signal on its own. It is a bias shift. Traders who jump in the moment the CHoCH prints often get caught in a fakeout. Wait. Let the new structure begin to develop. We will cover how to time entries properly in later episodes. Mistake number 3, only watching one time frame. A CHoCH on the 1-minute chart inside a bullish daily structure is not a reversal. It is noise. Always check your higher time frame structure before giving weight to a CHoCH on a lower time frame. The hierarchy of time frames we covered in episode 2 applies directly here. Everything I just showed you, identifying the swing points, spotting the BOS, catching the CHoCH, this is something you need to practice manually on your charts first. Draw it out. Mark the structure. Let your eye get trained on these patterns. If you're serious about trading, you need more than just knowledge. You need the right tools. At the DTCtools.com, we've built 3 professional-grade strategies: CCT, DTC, and DTC Precision Pro, each with its own TradingView indicator, MT5 automated bot, and live signals group. Whether you're passing a prop firm challenge, managing a funded account, or trading your own capital, we have a system built specifically for your goal. No guesswork, no emotions, just systematic, rule-based trading, engineered for consistency. Follow us on Telegram, link is in the description, and use code TELEGRAM20 at checkout for 20% off your next order. Visit the DTCtools.com and find the tool that fits your trading journey. Let's bring it all together. A break of structure, BOS, is price breaking a swing point in the direction of the existing trend. It confirms continuation. Your bias stays the same. A change of character, CHoCH, is price breaking a swing point against the existing trend. It signals a potential reversal. Your bias flips. But you wait for confirmation before entering. BOS says the market is continuing. CHoCH says the market is changing. Know which one you are looking at, and you will always be on the right side of the move. In episode 4, we are moving into premium and discount zones, the ICT concept that tells you whether price is expensive or cheap at any given moment, and how smart money uses that to position at the best possible prices. It is one of the core filters for every ICT entry. Do not miss it. If this helped you, drop a like. And in the comments, I want you to answer this. Have you ever been in a trade where you thought it was a pullback, but it turned out to be a full reversal? Tell me what happened. I read every single comment. Subscribe, and I will see you in episode 4.